Elsa? Do you wanna build an atom? Come on, let's go and play. COVID won't let me see you anymore. Come out the store, I know you've gone away. Protons and neutrons are best buddies. Electrons are not, and I'm gonna tell you why. Do you wanna build an atom? No choice, we're gonna build an atom. Hey guys, welcome to the lab. Today we're going to discuss atoms and their subatomic particles. Stay tuned. An atom is the smallest unit of matter and represents a chemical element. Everything in the universe matters except clowns. They don't matter. I'm sorry. Back on track. Everything has matter, meaning everything is made of atoms. The atoms are made of 3 parts: protons, neutrons, and electrons. The protons never change in a particular atom. It is what defines the atom and gives it an identity. It is a positively charged particle located in the nucleus, or the center of the atom. The roommate of the proton is the neutron. These two are centered in the nucleus, but the neutron varies in amounts and has no charge. It is considered a neutral particle. The proton and the neutron each contribute mass to an atom, 1 atomic mass unit each. You can think of the label AMU as the pounds of an atom. It is the unit label that describes the amount of mass in that particular atom. Therefore, if I have an atom with 3 protons and 3 neutrons, the mass would be 6 AMU. I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was. To teach them is my real test, educate them is my cause. I will travel across the web, searching far and wide, teaching students to understand the power that's inside. In the Atlanta forest, Ash tries to make his first element catch. He spots a lithium atom. How does he know it's a lithium atom? Because it has 3 protons that never change. Lithium atom, you're mine. The structure of the atom is not complete without mentioning the electron. The electrons surround the nucleus and orbit constantly. The regions where electrons orbit the nucleus is referred to as the electron cloud. This cloud is essentially a blur that shows all of the possible places an electron might be. Within the electron cloud, these negatively charged particles sometimes have their own specific rooms called shells or orbitals. The electrons are so small and travel so fast that they do not contribute a significant amount of mass. They are virtually massless. When looking at an atom's parts, we can determine if it's neutral by counting the electrons and protons. If both particles equal the same number, then it is a neutral atom. Let's practice. Which is a neutral atom, A or B, and why? How does the atom relate to the periodic table? A specific atom of one kind is called an element. Scientists have discovered more than 100 unique atoms, which are then recognized as elements of a specific nature and structure. The periodic table was organized by an element's properties. One way the atoms are categorized is by using the number of protons. Remember, the number of protons for each element does not change. It is a way for scientists, which means you too, have a way to find which element you have. The number of protons is also known as the atomic number. Remember, if the atom is neutral, the atomic number also represents the number of electrons. Well, that's a wrap for today, but thanks for stopping by the lab. Stay tuned for the next video featuring the City Girls and another soon with Jimmy Neutron this month. Subscribe and leave a comment about something you learned or already knew about your subatomic particles.